Hello.
Hi.
This is Western Washington University's Might E truck by Canadian Electric Vehicles Limited.
My name's Nina.
My name's Guy. Nice to meet you.
There we go.
How long have you been volunteering or working for Western?
Just the summer.
Just for the summer?
Yeah.
And then what's your program?
I work lawn maintenance.
Lawn maintenance?
Yep.
Okay, so this vehicle is designed to do what purpose? Just for the lawn maintenance?
Yeah, it can lift the back up, for, I don't know, dropping off any weeds that we pull or anything else. Just designed to go around campus and help with lawn maintenance most.
Oh, I gotta get a shot of that. Here she's gonna turn it on. It's on
Pretty
now.
simple.
There's no noise because it's an electric vehicle. Ah! Okay.
This part's kind of hard.
So you
put on off the spray. And then you just put it in forward.
Okay.
Pretty simple.
And then you just
Then you just put your foot on the gas.
We're
driving.
And we're driving. Oh my
Easy.
god, that's so cool. And we're driving behind a loud combustion engine vehicle right in front of us.
Yeah. So we can just do a loop.
Oh, we're gonna do a loop.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a loop, guys.
So it's actually designed to be super small so that we can take it like on these little back sidewalks and streets.
So, how do you feel about Western's adoption for electrification? Like, are they moving fast enough?
I don't know if anyone is really moving fast enough for what we need, but I think this step forward is really great.
Right. And what we need is right now. We need everything
right
renewable right now.
Right now.
Yeah. Have you heard of Fully Charged, the YouTube channel?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so Fully Charged is a YouTube channel from Britain.
Okay.
And they're really cool. If you wanna...
We just hit a tree.
We just hit a tree.
Well, the tree limbs went over us. It's kind of...
The tree hit us.
That's kind of what it was.
Aren't you the lawn maintenance person?
Yeah.
Isn't that your job to know where the trees are?
Ta-da!
And then, who's this lovely fellow here?
That's David.
That's David. He works in the lawn maintenance department as well.
Yep.
Guy just graduated. Congratulations to all of the Western Washington University graduates. Summer 2019. Oh, the window opens up.
And here.
Oh, for ventilation.
Yeah.
So you don't need an AC system or.
No, I mean it has a heater,
Right.
but no.
Because an AC system will put strain on the battery system. Now I'm gonna get a shot of it driving around in a circle.